In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Grammarly Premium in just 5 minutes. We'll navigate through the official Grammarly website and guide you step by step so that you can enjoy all the premium features that Grammarly has to offer. Let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Grammarly and hit enter. This will display several results, but you'll want to click on the official link that takes you directly to Grammarly's homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, you might see an option to sign up, but if you already have an account, look for the I have an account button and click on it. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your email address in the field provided. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Grammarly account. After you've entered your email, click on the continue button. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. From here, look for the account section. This is typically located in the top right corner of the page, represented by a small arrow or your profile icon. Click on this to access your account settings. Within your account settings, you'll need to click on the subscription link. This is where you'll be able to view your current subscription plan and make any changes. If you're ready to upgrade, select the subscription option again to begin the process. You'll likely see a Get Started button that prompts you to proceed with selecting a plan. Click on this and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose your billing cycle. Grammarly generally offers different options such as monthly or annual subscriptions, so take a moment to consider what best fits your needs and budget. After choosing your billing cycle, it's time to select your payment method. You'll have a few different options here. Common methods include credit card or PayPal. For this tutorial, we'll go with the credit card option. Click on this choice, which will then allow you to enter your card details. Carefully input all the required information, ensuring that there are no mistakes, as this could delay your subscription activation. After you've double checked your card details, you should see a button that says something like complete purchase or confirm payment. Once you're confident everything's in order, click this button to finalize your purchase. And there you have it. Yeah, you're now a Grammarly Premium